put the tasty meals in the microwave to 1 minute. And now I am going to accomplish everything. I forgot, I have to play the game first. Okay, no, I lost. Okay, forget about that. What else? I also forgot, I have to clean up. Oh wait, what else? Hold on. Oh wait, I have to make my other food. Okay, I better not make this stick on the pan. Oh, I forgot, I had to do something else. Oh no, I forgot, I had to check if I have all my cards. Alright, I just checked my Topps 2023 Season 1 card. Oh, 10 seconds, you already know. I'm going to lay down. Oh, this is a hard day. Oh my gosh, the microwave. Oh no. Oh my gosh, okay, how do we stop it? Okay. Woo, made it on 1. I did it, yay. Oh my gosh, my food.